Hey guys, TGIF. It's Friday and we finally made it to the weekend. So that means another Plan With Me video. This is Larry and I'm going to be showing you the stickers that I'll be using this week. This is from Victoria Thatcher and I found these to be so cute that the layout I had originally planned I am pushing off to the next week because this is called Shabby Coffee. I am 100% addicted to coffee and I love this layout. So we're going to be planning for the week of April 2nd through the 8th. And I took Victoria's PDF file and I brought it into my Cricut design space and made these stickers. And I did add in a couple of extras here. This is from artwork I already had. But this is what the stickers look like. So cute. Look at those coffee cups. Very, very cute. I love the 3-heart checklist. And more coffee, and I like this white space. That's really cool. This is very pretty. There's some built-in washi. And so we are going to get started. I also pulled out some washi tape. These are the ones that I think I'm going to use. Kind of go with the color scheme here. So, and excuse my nasty finger. I burnt myself in the oven making bread. Yes, I know I'm a klutz. I know. You don't have to remind me. But yeah, that was an incident from a couple days ago. So anyhow, let's get started. Again, it's April 2nd through the 8th, and this is artwork from Victoria Thatcher, and let's get started. So let's get ready. Pull up a chair, get out your planner, get your stickers, and get your drink on. And play some music with me. Let's have some fun. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also ring the bell for notifications so you can see my upcoming videos. I plan in my Happy Planner every Friday, so there's always a Plan With Me posted on Fridays, and then there's other fun stuff sprinkled throughout the week. So let's have some fun. Thanks for joining me, guys. Alright guys, this is it. So it is all finished. I really, really like it. Oh, wait a minute, it's not finished. I just realized I forgot to put my dates up here. So I will put my numbers in these boxes after this video. And my Saturday's crooked. I might try and fix that. But, okay, forgive my fault. But yes, other than that, it's finished. I've got distracted. It's, you know, spring is springing. I am in Northern California. It's 81 degrees today, and I'm super excited. So I've had the doors and windows open. I have to keep shutting them to do my video because of all the traffic noise and dogs barking and people mowing their lawns and all that good stuff. So anyhow, it is done. I will add in my dates. I will fix my Saturday, but other than that, I think it turned out wonderful. I did some real straightforward washi, but kept it colorful. Okay, and now my battery ran out on my camera, so we had to start over. It's a fun Friday, guys. It's definitely a fun Friday. So what I was saying is I kept the washi pretty simple. I've got plenty of white space. I've got my functional stuff. I've got my 3-heart checklists on my Monday through Friday, and I just love it. If you like this artwork by Victoria Thatcher, please check the link below. I will have a link for her where you can find her artwork, and it is free printable graphics. They're gorgeous. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and if you're not a subscriber yet, please do subscribe. Ring the bell for notifications. And I post my Plan With Me videos on Fridays, and I have other stuff sprinkled throughout the week. But I have a question for you. If you would, please leave me a note in the comments. When do you typically plan out your week? Are you a weekend planner like I am? Do you find some time during the week to do it? And how far ahead do you plan? Because quite honestly, this is Friday. And I'm planning, this layout is for next week. Personally, I'm actually planning a week ahead, so I'm 2 weeks out from what I'm showing you, and I like to be a little bit further ahead, especially because I own my own business. I feel like I really have to have a handle on things. So do you just plan a week in advance, and which day of the week are you most likely to find time to plan? Because I might change my dates from Fridays to Saturdays, and maybe even earlier in the week. I want to kind of get your feedback on when are you looking online for inspiration, and when could I be most helpful in posting my videos. So if you would, leave me a comment and share what your planning style is and when you find time to plan, or do you actually plan time to plan? Because I do. I usually plan my Sundays is when I will do a full review of the week ahead, but I will actually plan my layouts usually like the Wednesday before the upcoming week. So share with me, what are your thoughts? How do you do it? So anyways, guys, again, it's 81 degrees. It's Friday. Let's all have some fun. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you to my subscribers, and I'll see you in the next video. Please remember to be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Thanks, guys.